Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the new rocket launcher in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this new rocket launcher, and to begin we're going to start out with the middle section. So this is going to be almost the length of the rocket, but leave a lot of space in the front because we need to draw a lot of stuff there. So I'm just going to draw in one long rectangle first. Okay, so my line's a little bit wobbly. Okay, so once we have that, let's draw in the handle so we know where we are. So right in the center of this rectangle, here's the center. I'm going to come down and draw a smaller rectangle right underneath. Okay, and then on the middle of this rectangle here, I'm going to draw one line down. And now I'm going to draw the handle here. So go back to this side, just curve down. And then we'll slant both lines down. And then we'll close it off. So that's going to be the handle. And let's just add in a little bit more detail right here. Just gonna draw one line. Okay, and then now for the trigger, so we're gonna start right here. Just come out, come up here, come out, and then close it off. And then we're gonna draw one more line inside. So I'm gonna give this some thickness. Okay, and then here's the trigger. So this one's easy, just curve down and just go back up. So there's gonna be a lot of little details, but let's just go ahead and finish up the back here first. So right on the back here, I'll flare out just a little bit and close it off. And then from this point here, we'll just extend it back and then close it off. And we're adding some details. Let's add in one line here and then two on the back. So once we finish the back, let's go ahead and add in the front portion of this rocket. So right at the end here, I'm going to extend this line. Draw one rectangle here. And then right in the middle of this, we're going to extend this. It's a little bit smaller than these two lines. I'll close that off. And then now we'll go out. So we're flaring it out. Close that off. And then right here, one more rectangle. So a lot of little shapes. But hopefully it's not too difficult because it's very straight. Okay, so then the rocket's gonna be up here, so now we can go back here and finish up the rest of the stuff here. So there's gonna be another grip down here. Just add a little rectangle there. And for the handle, there's gonna be a slight slant to this. Just come down, close it off. And then extend the line, just a slightly bigger rectangle on the bottom. And let's just go ahead and add two lines there. Okay, so now let's come back here and we'll add in all those little details inside. So right on the back here, let's just draw in two lines first. Come back right here, just come up, right in the center, draw a line. On the bottom, just one rectangle. And then from this top line here, we're going to extend it all the way to the front. And then one more. So this is like a little bar. And then on the back here, on the bottom, go all the way back. And again, just another line to make it into a bar. Okay, and then in here, I'm going to add in two little circles. I know it's really small. Okay, and then down here, let's just finish this part up then. Big circle and then small circle in here. And then for the grip, just gonna add 5 lines down here. Okay, and then right on the back here, draw 1 circle, draw 2 lines here and then 1 across. Alright, so we're gonna come back here to this part in the middle. We're gonna go straight up. Just draw like a little rectangle right here. And then 1 more in here. And try to draw the same size as this one. Okay, and then once we have those rectangles, we're just gonna extend it up. So it looks like this part's where they have the sight. Okay, so extend up. So this one's gonna go straight up, come across, and then right on the ends here, add a little circle. And I think this part's the side where it kind of folds up. So right in the middle of the circle, we're gonna come out, just kind of hook it back into the rectangle. All right, and then let's see down here, extend this line, come across, and then we're gonna add 1 bar inside, but it's gonna be behind this. So we'll draw 2 lines and then continue it to the bottom. I know it's a lot of little details. Actually, there's more. I'm just kind of skipping, just kind of keeping it simple. All right, so now let's draw in the really cool looking rocket here. So right in the center of this, just a little square. And then now we're gonna flare this out. So this is gonna be like a diamond shape. So flare out right around here, so it's pretty big. And then now we're gonna come back here. So the easier way to draw this is to find the center of this, just come straight across here all the way out and draw another line like this first. So we know that's gonna be in the middle, and then we'll just connect these. All right, and then a tip here, just 1 extra line. Same thing here in the back. And then now for the really cool looking kind of like a shark face here. So right underneath this line, just draw a shorter line, and then on the bottom, just round it out. And then for the eye, just gonna draw a little curve and I'll shade this in. Okay, and then right here, that's gonna be the tip of the mouth here. So I'll start back here, right in the middle. Just gonna draw 1 big curve, connecting to that. And then on the bottom here, I'll connect to somewhere right here. Okay, so that's gonna be the opening. So now for the teeth, it's really easy. Just start here, just kind of zigzag. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now whatever space you have here on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3. I know there's a lot of little lines, so just let me shade this in so that way you can see the teeth. Okay, so that is it for this new rocket launcher in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.